Samantala nanawagan ng Malacanang sa sambayan ng Pilipino ng 2 linggong National Flag Days. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng pagwawagayway ng watawat ng Pilipinas mula Mayo 28 hanggang sa matapos ang araw ng kasarinlan sa Hunyo 12. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami Elena Luna.
Hinihikayat ng Malacanang ang lahat ng Pilipino na magwagayway ng bandila ng Pilipinas sa 2 linggong National Flag Days. Magsisimula ito sa May 28 at matatapos sa Araw ng Kalayaan, June 12.
Today, we mark the 115th anniversary of the first time the Philippine flag, in its original form, as sewn by Filipino expatriates in Hong Kong, was used as the revolutionary standard during the Battle of Alapan, Cavite. It also marks the beginning of Flag Days, mandated by Republic Act 8491, of course, which is available on the Official Gazette website, or the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines, that designates May 28 to June 12, Independence Day, every year as a period when the display of the Philippine flag, the sun and the stars, in homes, government, buildings, and private establishments is encouraged.
Bilang bahagi ng Flag Day, sinabi ni Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte na magbibigay ang palasyo ng ilang mga impormasyon at kasaysayan tungkol sa bandila ng Pilipinas.
The Presidential Communications Development and Strategic Planning Office is publishing a series of features on the development of the flag, the country's coat of arms, as well as other historical flags of the Philippines on the Presidential Museum and Library website, while an infographic on the elements of the Philippine flag will be published on the Official Gazette as part of its portal functions. We enjoin our countrymen to learn more about our flags and to take pride in this unifying symbol of our nationhood and our collective aspirations.
Ipinagdiriwang din ngayong buwan ng Mayo ang National Heritage Month. Bilang bahagi nito, bumuo ang palasyo kasama ang National Commission on Culture and the Arts o NCCA ng kwento ng kasaysayan ng Mansion House sa Baguio City. Mababasa ito sa malacanang.gov.ph. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.